How does a 100-year-old technology company reinvent the future of work? Join Naresh Shanker, the CTO of Xerox, to hear how the company creates markets and disrupts industries.
Xerox has actually created markets. It's created industries. So if you look at all of the intellectual property we've developed over the last 50 years, it's in very diverse sciences. We invented the Ethernet, personal computing. You've got the graphical user interface. You've got all these initial technologies. And what people don't understand is that we have gone well beyond all those spaces. And what we are starting to do now is move into such high-impact industries in 3D additive, in clean tech, and all of the industrial commercial-grade IoT technologies. These are huge spaces and markets that we have substantial amount of IP, and we have an amazing story and journey ahead of us to invent these spaces. And that's what we're doing right now. So people don't know that. People don't know where we are fundamentally disrupting the industry with disruptive technologies well beyond the print franchise. And that's what's exciting.
Watch the full episode and learn more by visiting the link in the description. We welcome you to connect with us while on the page, and keep an eye out for the next episode of Customer Spotlight. You never know which company will shine a light on next.